How do you write your entire life without burning everything down? Let me show you the method I use after addiction, abuse, and homelessness, and the same method I now teach driven men and women in their 40s and 50s who are rebuilding life from scratch. Hi, this is Dr. Keith or Tong, tuning in from all around the world. Most people try to change their life by changing the outside first. Their job, their partner, the city, the routine. But here's the truth, it only lasts when it starts on the inside. So here's how you write your life in a way that actually sticks. Step 1, ask the right questions. Not what do I want, that's surface level. Instead ask, what am I no longer willing to tolerate? That question cuts through noise and gets you honest fast. Next, step 2, reconnect to your identity. Write down this sentence, I am someone who ... Finish it 10 times, don't think, just let it come out. You will discover beliefs you've been repeating for years and the identity you're ready to step into next. Step 3, choose one aligned actions, not 5, not a whole to-do list. Just one move that matches who you're becoming. Because clarity grows from momentum, not perfection. And listen, if you've been blaming yourself for feeling stuck, it's not because you're broken. You just haven't been taught how to listen to the part of you who already knows the way forward. If this helps you today, follow, like, leave a comment, and share this with someone who needs it.